Hello everyone, that's just a dad. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the 6-pack brush kit. This is made by Holikme. So I really do like it. You get this special cleaning tool. Along with the cleaning brushes, you get a 2-pack. The bristles are nice and stiff. But let me show you this. This rotates. We've got an extra little cleaning brush here, some bristles here. But the neatest thing about this is, so let's say you have a glass and you get lipstick or something on the side. This is for cleaning that ledge right there. See how we can clean that off really good? When it's wet, it does a really good job of scrubbing that lip area right there. Now the brush is nice metal handle. This is plastic, not super grippy, but I don't feel like it ever slips in my hand. Let's take a look. Overall length is 14 inches. We also get some straw cleaners. 3 different sizes of straw cleaners. This is just a really nice kit that I love, this little tool that comes with it. Hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.